Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Oklo. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has identified Oklo as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 83.78% since we first designated Oklo as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.22% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 90.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 18.93% to 112.59%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, "Is Oklo Inc. stock still a buy after falling 6.79% on Tuesday?" On the last trading day, Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, Oklo Inc. stock price decreased by 6.79%, dropping from $53.73 to $50.08. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.92%, with a low of $49.21 and a high of $54.09. The stock has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, reflecting a rise of 46.78% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should typically align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, totaling 14 million shares bought and sold for approximately $717,820,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $59.14, while the lowest stood at $5.35. Currently, the price is 15.32%, or $9.06, below the 52-week high of $59.14, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oklo Inc. has been capturing attention on Wall Street, notably following a significant surge of 96% in its stock during January. This uptick is largely attributed to influential backing from prominent investor Sam Altman and positive developments surrounding nuclear energy. However, the landscape is shifting as the recent introduction of DeepSeek, a low-cost artificial intelligence technology, raises questions about the future of nuclear investments, potentially impacting the sector's stability. Compounding this scenario, Oklo has experienced a leadership transition, with Chris Wright stepping down from the board to serve as the United States Secretary of Energy. His confirmation is expected to create synergy between policy advancements and Oklo's objectives in the nuclear sector, which could bode well for future growth and investor confidence. Despite the optimistic headlines, concerns linger, particularly from investor inquiries relating to Oklo. With investigations reportedly underway by Pomerantz law firm, caution may be warranted in the near term. These factors could lead to heightened volatility in Oklo's stock. In the short term, the interplay of positive momentum and potential volatility may cause fluctuations in Oklo's share price. Over the long term, if the company continues to align with favorable energy policies and solidifies its position in the nuclear market, it could experience sustained growth, driven by the increasing demand for clean energy solutions. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Oklo an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup rated Oklo as neutral with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley rated Oklo as buy with an initiate action. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global rated Oklo as neutral with an initiate action. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup rated Oklo as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio both to be strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The stock of Oklo Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $49.97 and $32.57. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, February 7, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 8.81%. Continued decline is likely until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price in the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. For the moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 31 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 36 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 93 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 86 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $41.91 and $41.82. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Oklo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $41.91. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $41.82 and $38.78. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.88 between its high and low, or an increase of 9.92%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 13.07%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Oklo, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if negative PE ratios persist, they may suggest inadequate profits and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 13th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 8 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $50.50. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Oklo faces its first support level at $41.91. Should this support level remain intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of February, 2025, Bielmir Richard Craig conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of restricted stock units. On the 30th of December, 2024, Cochrane Caroline executed an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of December, 2024, Cochrane Caroline again sold 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of December, 2024, DeWitt Jacob conducted an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of December, 2024, DeWitt Jacob again sold 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 49 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 42.439. In total, insiders purchased 93,513,604 shares and sold 30,900,766 shares in these 49 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $47.23, reflecting a decline of 5.7%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Oklo Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of February, we expect Oklo to open at $1.05 and start trading at $51.13. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By accessing and utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.